my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Today's video is going to be the first of my prom series. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of prom looks and posting them up for whoever wants to do their prom look at home like I did. Okay, we're doing this together. I'm gonna be doing like a soft glam look. Be testing out this new palette that I got. Soft glam look. So this is her. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be using today. So first things first, I'm just gonna do something about my face. I look like I just woke up, but I always look like that, so I don't care anymore. Moisturize my face. My Milani Rose Water drops all over my face as a primer, and it really makes my skin feel really soft. Prepping your skin is very important, especially if you're going to prom, because you don't want your face cracking up halfway through the night. You don't want your concealer and your foundation to be flaking off your face, and your date is gonna look at you crazy. Okay. So I want to put some Vaseline on my lips since we're doing this prep. Full coverage, so I'm going to take my Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, and this is in the shade Golden, the number 312. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit on my hand and just put it on my face. So this look is going to be pretty soft glam and kind of natural, so I'm not going to like really cake my face, but I still do want full coverage and full security all over. I used a face mask the other day, and my face is kind of got like a little bit burnt, so my face is going to look patchy and like I don't know if you can see it, but there's like, well, when I put on my bronzer, you will definitely see there's like a line here. It's not cute. L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade Pecan. Okay, we're going drugstore all the way today. And I'm just going to put this under my eyes and drag it down. Okay, so my concealer is on. Now I'm going to go ahead and cream contour. So I'm going to take my little contour stick that I have here, and I'm just going to go in and outline my contour zones. So I'm taking a stippling brush and I'm just going to blend it out, and I'm doing circular motions, and I'm blending it up towards the top of my cheeks and not down towards the under my jawline. I mean towards under my cheekbones. We don't want that. I'm trying to give myself a little facelift right now. This is like a tapered off smaller blending brush. Snatched. Check, look at that. You see that? Snatched. Woo! Woo! Damn. Who am I? Alright, so after I blend out my contour, I'm going to take my beauty blender that already has concealer on it, and I'm just going to blend out the edges where the concealer meets the contour, so it's not like really harsh. And I'm going to bring it up again on the side of my nose. So what is that? I don't know how I feel about this. Like, there's just, it's so harsh on my nose. We're gonna blend that out a little bit more. Like, this amount of snatched is not natural. All my cream products are on, all set and down. So I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using my CoverGirl translucent powder. Taking my Real Techniques. This is a blush brush, but it's very big and puffy, so I use it for powder. So I'm just taking powder and setting my whole entire face really lightly, avoiding my under eye area. And now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm going to go in with the powder that I have on the lid, and I'm just gonna bake under my eyes. And I'm gonna drag it down towards around my mouth. You never know what's gonna happen, girl. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Dell Dark Brown Brow Pomade, and I'm gonna take this really small angular brush that I got from Walmart. Just outline my brows. That line was very precise. And then I'm just gonna fill in my brow on the top. Fill in these gaps with this dark brown. Create some hairs. Take my NYX Tame & Frame brow pomade, and this is in the shade Chocolate. So this is like a little bit lighter than the dark brown pomade, and on the beginning of my brow, just to make it look like there's like a transition, like a fade, so my whole brow isn't like completely dark. My spoolie, and I'm just gonna brush the beginning so it blends out. Okay, so I have decided that I'm gonna be doing like a champagne eye, kind of. I don't really want to do any pinks yet. If you want to see pink, stay tuned for my prom series. It'll be there somewhere. Wait on it. I'm gonna be doing like a champagne soft glam eye, going in with Vixen. Alright, this one, it's like a brown transition, but it's still kind of dark. So I'm gonna go in with my tapered off blending brush. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the outer corner of my eyes and just blend it into like a V shape. And blend it towards the middle. So I'm blending it up just past my crease, but not any further. Take a little bit more. So I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm just going to pack it in just to make it a little bit more pigmented on my skin. So I didn't put any eyeshadow base or any primer or anything on my eye because I trust Morphe. And I'm just building on my shadow, just making sure that you can see the color from all the way across the room. Alright, so one more time we're going in with the same shade in the same place, and this time I'm concentrating it more towards the outer corner and just deepening up that area. I think I'm going to take this one. This is the shade Spice, so it's like kind of like a warmer, I wouldn't say darker, but we're gonna add a little bit of color to this. So it's called Spice. It's like an orangish, warm toned color. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right on top of this brown that I have here. And just add some color. So I'm just swiping it on top so the brown isn't as harsh. And I'm dragging it a little bit towards the inner corner of my eye. So we're going to start to build there as well. Alright. So now I'm going to take my actual transition shade and just blend that out so it doesn't look like a shape on my eye. Shade, which is called Scandal. And it is like a very light transition shade. I'm just going to put that right on top of Spice. And just diffuse that so it looks blended. 'Cause I'm also gonna blend it outward as well. Right, problem solved. Alright, so that toned down the top a lot. This brush is like a flat brush, and it's very compact, so it's good for grabbing pigment, called French Kiss. So it's like a champagne color. It's like a little bit bronzy but also very pale gold. And I'm just gonna swipe it down. Look at that. That is beautiful. And then we're just gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna go with the shape of my eye, and I'm gonna create kind of like a half cut crease just to open up my eye, just so you can see the pigment a little bit more. So we're just swiping this way, opening up my eye, making it look like I have a lot more lid space, and we're gonna stop in the middle. I just like to, as soon as I pick it up, I just like to swipe it down just to get all the pigment on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna shape it again, creating like a half cut crease, opening up my lid space and stopping in the middle. But you don't want to stop abruptly, you want to feather it out and taper it out so it looks blended with the rest of your eyeshadow. So I'm like lightly patting the end just to make it look like it's fading out into this brown eyeshadow at the end. Alright, honestly that's it. Inner corner highlight to make it look cuter. Lighter color right on top of French Kiss. This is called Shameless. I'm just gonna mush that right there and blend it into that shape. Right, so you see the difference? My eye looks like bigger now. What did I do? I didn't do nothing. And then the other eye, okay. So now my eyes are open. So I'm going to take the excess that I have on this brush and I'm just going to put it right here, right under my brow bone. I mean, right on my brow bone. And just blend it out. So if you really want to do like really soft glam, then you could leave your eye makeup like this and just put on some lashes, mascara and lashes with no liner, so you would look like effortlessly like, oh, I'm so pretty, I'm so soft and cute, and I probably smell like roses. Or you can go ahead and do eyeliner, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. My Wet n Wild Liquid Mega Liner. It's gonna make a small wing. Well, that made a difference. Yeah, so you can leave it like this, or you can go this way. We're going this way. So I'm gonna take my Better, help this mess up real quick. So I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara and just swipe that on the top half of my eyes. So I'm gonna take my setting spray and I'm just gonna spray it into my hands like so, and I'm gonna press it into my face. And I'm putting like a lot on areas that my highlight is going on. My Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Trio palette. This is a highlighter palette. I'm going to be taking this color, this gold right here. So I'm just going to highlight the top of my cheekbones. And I'm going to drag it down to like the apples of my cheeks. Is that the word for that area? I hope you know what I'm talking about, because I don't even know. So I'm just gonna bring it on top of my eyebrow as well to highlight that area and make like a C shape over here. Make sure you blend out your highlight and blend it into everything else. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on some lashes and we're gonna fix this thing on my head. Okay, so I put on the lashes and I just fluff them up a little bit. So I just like push them up so they look a little bit more like you can see them. So it really accentuates the ends of my eyes and it makes my eyes look a little more open and like cat eye looking. So I like them. These are really cute. They look very natural, like they look like eyelash extensions. Like they could be mine if I was blessed. Now we're gonna move on to lips. So since we are doing like a soft glam, I think I'm gonna do like a nudish lip, but also maybe like a brown. My lip liner that I use all the time. This is my NYX lip liner in the shade dark brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips to make it mesh, the nude mesh a little bit more. I look very bronzy right now. Like, I really love the way this highlight looks on my skin, and I feel like also the eyeshadow is making me look a little bit more golden. This is my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade London. I feel like this duo together looks so good. I feel like it just blends together so well and it looks natural and it looks like a pout, but it's not like that girl is wearing too much lipstick. So this is the final look. Let me just do up my hair real quick because girl, we're going to prom. Let's see, what am I gonna do here? A little updo? No, I look like I'm going to take a shower. A little low bun in the back. We're gonna have some bangs coming out too. Let me go grab my clip. Let me just do something over here. I need another clip. Am I prommy now? This is, oh, I like this. This is it. This is it. This is the final look. Alright, I had to throw on some good clothes that you can't even see. I'm gonna pull this up though because I'm wearing it. This is the final look. Okay, we're going to prom like this. Let's get it. Photo shoot moment. Look, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Please stay tuned for my prom series. I will try to be as consistent as I possibly can. Bye.